welcome to the Metals Investment Forum. I have here Golden Minerals CEO Rehn to talk about his company and new project, new ideas for the new year.
Thank you, Chen. Pleased to be here. Golden Minerals has had a history in Mexico and Durango with the Velardania project and some challenges, and we now see a way forward with the project, and I think that will be one of the catalysts that's most likely to come to pass in the coming year, especially with the application of bioxidation technology to the pyrite concentrate to give us a better gold recovery out of that concentrate. That was the biggest problem in the past production.
Okay, great. So where is this? Can you tell us more about the bioxidation? Where is it used?
Yeah, so the bioxidation has been around, the technology has been around and available for quite some time, but it's recently been used very well in Australia at the Fosterville operation of Kirkland Lake Gold. And that's given us a lot of confidence in the technology itself and the way it's operating. It's one of Kirkland Lake Gold's best producers, and it was impossible to get that gold recovery without the bioxidation. Our ores are very similar to theirs in large part, arsenopyrite and pyrite based with very fine-grained gold in the pyrite and arsenopyrite. So without the bioxidation, there really isn't a good way to get the gold out.
Oh, great. So you done all the testing? You're going to have some PEA coming out soon?
Yeah, we've started the PEA. We need to do an update. The PEA that we have now published was done in 2015 and did not consider bioxidation for the gold recovery. So we're updating that, and we expect to have that published in Q1 of 2020.
Okay, great. So if you have a positive PEA supposedly coming out early next year, so how long does it take for you to get the mine back to the production, and then how much cash flow do you expect, roughly, without getting too much details?
Yeah, good question. So the timeline to production could be fairly quick. The thing that we would need to do is to build the bioxidation circuit and attach it to our oxide plant. But the rest of the mine is in perfect shape. We have developed ore faces ready to mine from, and the sulfide plant to do the flotation work is in operational state and has been kept in good repair. So after a positive PEA and with enough study to make sure that we're happy with the results, I would think within, certainly within a year or two, we could potentially be back in production at not too much cost.
Okay, so based on the original PEA, with some improvement in the gold recovery, what roughly some cash flow you expect coming from this project?
Yeah, the operation at the current grades and the production limits of the plant, the sulfide plant, would let us produce about 2 million silver equivalent ounces per year. And our cost profile has been well below $10 an ounce of silver in terms of all-in cost.
Sustainable cost.
So you can do the math on that fairly quickly and see that it's an important potential cash flow that has to be corroborated by further study, but that's what we see in the scoping work that we've done.
So to basically, let me repeat what I heard. You have a completed mine in a good shape, fully permitted. You have a working mill ready to add a new circuit to have a better gold recovery, and then you have potentially cash flow close to your current market cap. Is that a summary of your Mexico mine?
It is. No, it's basically turnkey except for the bioxidation circuit, which doesn't have to be a large circuit because we're only processing concentrate, not raw ore. So it's about 1/10 of the daily production that we would have as concentrate, 30 tons a day, and that we could oxidize that in a small circuit that would be attached to the cyanide plant.
Okay, great. That itself sounds like a compelling story. And then I understand you also have other projects. Can you talk about them?
Yes, I'd like to. Yeah, we're very happy with the Velardenia story, but we also have a major asset in Argentina, a silver asset that we have recently completed a positive PEA on, and we know there's expansion potential. Now, Argentina is not everyone's favorite jurisdiction right now, but it will change over time, and you know, mines take years to get into production. So the Alquevar story is interesting, and you know, we're looking for a partner to help invest in that. I think we'll find one in the current situation. We also have projects, drill-ready projects in Mexico in the High Sierra, the Yoquivo district. It's an epithermal vein district that's ready to drill. We'll drill that in 2020. And a new project in Nevada. It's an epithermal vein project not too far from the historic Sleeper mine, a very profitable gold mine that Cypress Amex put together and mined in the 80s. So we're ready to drill that late this year, early next year. And so that's another exciting potential catalyst for the company.
Oh, great. Looks like you have a lot of things coming in the next few months.
We do, and I'm happy with our pipeline. We have a number of other projects in Mexico that we're bringing along. We have an exploration crew in Mexico and in Argentina and Salta province that are looking for good opportunities, and we're always attentive to what they might bring.
Oh, great. Can you tell a little bit about your balance sheet and if you have any cash flow coming in?
Yeah, I'd like to do that. We are making money off of our plant lease in Velardenia, Durango, Mexico. We've had a leasing arrangement with Hecla Mining Company for about 3 years now. That's been giving us a positive margin on that project of about $4 to $5 million US per year. And that lease continues through the end of next year. So we do have you know, cash coming in. It doesn't meet all of our needs, but gives us a good base. And so we don't always have to go to the markets to get additional capital.
Okay. So what's the cash you have? You have any debt?
No debt. We're in good shape there. And we have, at the end of Q3, just under $3 million cash US.
So how long does the cash last you to?
Our burn on top of our income is about $3 million, so it's about a year out.
A year out, okay.
And we have other non-critical assets available for sale, and we're negotiating on those as well.
Okay, great. Thank you, Warren, and hope to hear good news from you in the next few months.
Thank you very much, Chen.